Hey friends, good morning. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer come digital recruiterpreneur, and in today's video I just want to say that Sonali Bendre, yes, you heard it right. Sonali Bendre is a Bollywood star. At the same time she is cancer survivor. Cancer survivor बोले तो she was attacked with cancer and then she undergone treatment and huge expenses on cancer treatment, and then she survived. Today, we at Kotak are inviting her at our Badlav studio at 11 o'clock to launch the new shield, Cancer Shield by Sonali Bendre at 11 am. All those who have been sent links through registration will be participating in this program. We'll be launching Cancer Shield and Health Shield for cardiac patients. So, Cardiac Shield, Cancer Shield, and in addition, there will be an Accident Shield, Personal Accident Shield. 3 shields are being launched. Shields means the Kavach. Kavach means the protection. Protection means the 3 of these expensive treatments drain away all the resources, financial resources, and to compensate for that, when you are healthy, everything starts with when you are healthy, young, working, earning, qualified, then you can buy these products. Once the disease enters into your body, once you are affected by say blood pressure, diabetes, you are not earning, you are not graduate, you are a housewife not making money, all those conditions you are not eligible for this. So those who are eligible and protect themselves from cardiac cases, the cancer cases, and the personal accident cases, which when occur anytime in the lifetime, they drain away all the financial resources, and we'll be protecting you financially so that anything happens in the lifetime up to the age of 75, you will be getting this money back just on diagnosis. It is not a health policy. Health is reimbursement against the expenses or the cashless treatment. Here, the moment it is diagnosed that you are a health cardiac condition or a cancer condition or there is an accident, you get back your sum assured depending upon the critical condition of the disease. If this is very critical, you get 100% sum assured for the cover which you have procured while you were young. So friends, this is the message. Be there at 11 o'clock. Avail the facility which is available. It is a very low cost shield. You don't have to pay much now, but if you delay it, you may have to pay more. Initial stage, during the launch, we are offering some discounts to the existing policy holders, to the new clients, to those who are healthy, and there are many special features associated with it which you can ask me, you can participate and know. You can go to websites and explore and see what is useful for you. You can take it. This is what my advice for you today. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.